welcome back. We're cooking soba noodles today. I don't know about you guys, but the heat's really been getting to me lately. The last thing I want to do is turn on my oven. Today we'll be making a cold soba noodle salad with grilled shrimp and yuzu dressing. I know Japanese food can seem very daunting, but this recipe is quick and easy. Stick around and I'll walk you through all the steps. First, we'll start by prepping all the garnishes for the soba noodles. I'm going to cut the green onions in two different ways. The bottoms are going to be used for the yuzu dressing, and the top I'm going to use for a garnish. For the tops, I'm cutting about 2-inch pieces and flattening them on my board, and then slicing them very thinly. Then I'm placing the slices in ice water. This will help them curl up and look nice and beautiful. I'm now going to julienne this carrot with my mandolin. Fun fact, julienne is a fancy French word for shredded. Now I'm cutting off the ends of my cucumber. Hey, where are you going? I'm running the cucumber across the mandolin. So pretty. Here, I'm cutting off the head of the cilantro. I'm rolling the leaves up tightly like a cigar and running my knife across them. Cilantro bruises really easily, so you don't want to cut it too much. Now I'm just going to blanch the carrots very quickly just to take the bite off of them. I have some boiling salted water here. Hold for the steam, hold for the steam. And I'm only going to leave them in for about 15 to 30 seconds. Once the carrots come out of the pot, I'm going to run them under some cold water to stop the cooking process. Now I'm cooking the soba noodles in the same water that I just blanched the carrots in. Fun fact, this is called a portion control band. Sometimes I feel like I need a portion control band. Cook them per the instructions in the back of the package. Should be about 5 minutes or so. Once the noodles are done, strain them into the sink and immediately run some cold water over them. Now, I'll show you how to make the yuzu dressing. Yuzu is a citrus fruit from ancient China. It kind of tastes like a lemon and a mandarin had a baby. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of the juice to the blender. And then 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of hot mustard powder. 2 tablespoons of ponzu. Those green onions we cut up earlier. A pinch of cilantro. 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. And the juice of 2 whole limes. Blend that all together. Then slowly add 6 ounces of a neutral oil. I'm using vegetable oil here, but you could also use sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, canola oil, or anything that doesn't have a strong flavor, like olive oil. I'm using it for soba noodles today, but this is also a great dressing for salads. Here's another garnish that adds a great texture. I bought some wasabi peas from the store and I'm gonna smash them up and sprinkle them on top of the soba noodles. If you don't like spice, then you could just leave them out. Now, I'm gonna season the cold soba noodles with the yuzu vinaigrette. I'm adding a cup of edamame and some chopped cilantro. The juice of 1 lime. Slippery little bugger. I added about a 1/4 cup of the yuzu vinaigrette and a little salt and tossed the noodles together. And now, to make it look all pretty, I'm placing my seasoned soba noodles down. I'm adding some cucumber, some of those fancy carrots, a little bit of edamame, pickled ginger, crunchy wasabi peas, a little bit of dressing, those thinly sliced green onions that are all curled up, and finally I'm adding some grilled shrimp that I marinated in peanut sauce. There's a link below to the video for the peanut sauce marinated shrimp. Doesn't that look nice? Makes me want to eat it. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.